How would we take care of animals, dogs and cats? Usually, me as a cat lover, of course, I love cats. So, usually I love cats or puspin because I was told by Shania Kiana or Kuya Fernan, Pastor. Usually we love cats also or dogs, but frequently, who is among people who has dogs also, especially Paulo Cuva, Buddy Castro, who has a Shih Tzu, even Paulo Cuva has a Dutch Hand. Dutch Hand dog, Dutch Hand dog. Even everyone who has a dog, Kuya Jojo has a Soju, Belgian Malinois, even Sir Calvin Cuevas has a Shih Tzu, but Buddy Castro has a Shih Tzu dog also, same. Even Teacher Sabel, who has a Shih Tzu dog. Um, Ma'am Teacher Kel has a dog, Shih Tzu Poodle, o named Coco, who's owned by Eskel Penumbra. Usually, some of dogs or cats are animals, or they are call it pet friendly. In the malls, we call it pet friendly. So, whether if you like dogs or cats, as usual, like in Matienza, he has thousands of dog, snakes, lizard, even parrot, even any kind of species, even fish. He makes his home as a zoo. Oh, even dogs and cats, we should taking care of them. So, however, whether you like dogs and cats, do not maltreated them or abandon them or irresponsible on them. Be responsible of your dogs and cats. However, if you're being a responsible dog and cat, we have to be responsible. Don't be imitate of Anthony Solares, Jojo Malikdim. Jojo Malikdim, he was being fired by SM Malls and is now officially in prison in Camp Karingal. Anthony Solares, who was also in prison in Camarines Sur, and he was filed by Philippine Animal Welfare Society. Usually, Philippine Animal Welfare Society. He was being sued by Bina, a late dog lover, a dog owner, the dog owner of the late Kilua. Oh, this is what I'm gonna say. These two are being imprisoned because Jojo Malikdem is already in prison who threw the puppy in the footbridge last year. Um, Anthony Solares is the guy who threw that who killed the Kilua, a golden retriever, by a brutal. And so my friend Joseph Maspinas had already filed the cases against Anthony Solares. So for me, if you don't want to let your dogs and cats are responsible, be responsible anyway. Just like that. Oh, be responsible. Because us, we're planning to buy a dog, a pug. Because we don't like, we're gonna buy a dog anyway. You want a Siberian Husky, a puppy. That was a dog of Larry Chwanico or Shih Tzu. dog, I mean Shih Tzu dog, that dog of Teacher Isabel. Eh, we will have a dog also, even a dog of Buddy Castro or Shih Tzu. Which dog would be pick if after our apartment in the house in Caloocan was being finished. So, however, if you want to pick a dog anyway, you pick a dog. Oh, that is option because like Cedric Mariano, he has no dog, or he has a puspin, he has a cat. Even Luis Cabales, he has a puspin. Oh, but unlike Paula Nunez, she doesn't have a, a cat. I mean a dog. I hope Paula Nunez should have puspin or cats. Even Lawrence Villawan. Oh, he should have puspin. So puspin cats are domestic short-hair cat, also known as uh, DSH, call it domestic short-hair cats. However, if you love cats anyway or dogs, you should have a cats and dogs because Sir William Ducut has also a dog, a Shih Tzu. Oh, he's a dog lover. And he has a cat, Puspin. Me and JD Biniegas, we have a Puspin cat. We don't have a dog. Oh. Us, we don't have a dog. Oh. Even JD Biniegas, he doesn't have a dog also. Both of us, we don't have a dog. Our dog have passed away because of old age. And so we have a Puspin. So when does Ming had came also a domestic short-hair cat, or also known as Puspin. That was 2023. Because 2023, that was a starting of Batang Quiapo. And 2023, we have cats or dog. So we have cats. Oh. We have cats we don't have dogs. Like for example, Teacher Evelyn has a cat, Puspin. Even Teacher Julie, both they have a Puspin cat. But I don't know whether if you like dogs or cats, we should be responsible. Like Kim Atienza says, if we are being responsible owner of pets, even cats or dogs, usually we should taking care of them. Because I understand the Philippine Animal Welfare Society or POS. We should have cats and dogs. Ate Ana advised me in Filipino, what she says to me, alagaan mo mabuti. That's why. What is the word in Tagalog? Or you taking care of them? I said, yes, I will taking care of Puspin or cats. Because I love cats too. Because we don't have a dog. We have cats. Somehow we started breeding dogs. So someone's asking me and JD Biniegas, we started breeding. We started pet dogs since 2012 until 2023. Let me get it straight. 2012, we got Chowder, the dog. We bought it from Tito Mac. And we have Prada. We got it also from Tito Mac. And Vladimir, a dog. We got it from Clark Pampanga after we came back from Singapore and Malaysia. And we got a dog, Vladimir. We bought it from Clark Pampanga. And another dog anyway that gave from birth from Prada named Dagohoy. We have a dog Dagohoy. Oh. And another thing, we have cats or dog. Usually, when does Vladimir pass away? 2020 during pandemic. Oh, even at the dog of the Gohoy who passed away 2022. Even Prada and last year Chowder had passed away last in March. Oh, and then we started to breed the cats as well. We started breeded cat Ming, and because Ming was there. Ming was started 2023. In November 2023, after the incident of Vince Ramos, we have kittens of Ming called Puspin. So Ming has birthed 3 kittens and the one who was dead. So we have 3 kittens. Usually 3 kittens. But the 3 kittens and another kitten anyway, the female, we gave it to Kuya Fernan. And the 2 kittens that was ours. Oh, that's just our opinion. And we have 2 cats. Because unlike JD Biniegas, his dog passed away last year, or I think last year or 2022. 2022, that the dog of JD Biniegas had passed away. I didn't say condolence to my friend JD Biniegas. His dog passed away, and so JD Biniegas started breeding a Puspin cat before he got a PS5. So he started breeding cats or Puspin, and that is similar remember, JD Biniegas is not Kim Atienza. Me, I'm not Ernie Baron who love taking care of animals. For me, be responsible of taking care of animals, dogs and cats. However, be responsible. Even I just said to my relative Nanay Banji, do not reject Soju, the dog of Kuya Jojo. Let's respect Soju. That Soju is a Belgian Malinois. I remember the dog of Mark Domingo Cruz, Belgian Malinois. Soju is a Belgian Malinois. It's still a puppy. He can bite the tires of in the vehicle or even the motorcycle of Kuya Jojo. It's nothing bad to scold that dog or discipline that dog anyway. That Soju is just a puppy. However, I remember Vladimir, who is a border collie puppy, he broke the laptop that Asus, that laptop, we bought it from Singapore. And that LG TV was bitten dog by Vladimir. It's just a puppy. Puppies can bite anything. Or kittens. As like dog lovers, we do not discipline them. Like for example, as I watch in a TikTok video of Kim Atienza, that his passport was ruined because his dog had disciplined him, and that was his old passport. Kim Atienza was angry that his old passport was ruined. He was bitten by his dog. That was an old passport. For example, Kim Atienza was worried that he cannot travel anyway, and so that his old passport was bitten by his dog. Oh, unlike I said, dogs are still a puppies yet. It can bite anything. It can easily to bite anything, whether if they like. That's their own option. Even the dog of Kuya Shu Suzuki, he has a Chow Chow dog. As I watch in his TikTok video, he's a commercial model. It's a Japanese base in commercial model like Chowking, Ariel, even in SM malls, pet friendly. That's Kuya Shu. However, if you like dogs and cats, um, be responsible. Because we discussed that during the time in CDIFI, since Miguel Bonono, Luis Cabales, Joshua Cruz, even Lawrence Villawan, when we were the class of Teacher Maxi in 2006 until 2007, we already just do. We love dogs and cats, and we should be responsible as we are pet owners. We have to be responsible.